Hey my chickadees, welcome back. Okay, it's Juju on the back 40 still, and I'm working on day 14. And day 14 is pattern. Let me make sure I'm on the right date. Yes, pattern. And well, I've been working this weekend, cleaning and straightening and doing stuff and marking little projects off my list, and I got hung into this rabbit hole on this pattern paper and freezer paper and making it stick and all that good stuff. And so when it said pattern, that's where my brain just wouldn't get off of. So I put some of it on here and put the little patterns with the flowers on it. And of course, you know, I gotta have butterflies with flowers. So I did the pattern with the butterflies, the little cluster, and you know, the butterflies are going to the flowers. So on the back side of this envelope from yesterday, I put me a journaling card on it. So there you go. That is day 14 on the back 40. I hope y'all have a good weekend. I hope everything's going good with you and you're staying warm, because it's getting cold, and it's supposed to get cold here, and it never gets cold here. So y'all have a good one. Love and hugs. Bye.